Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Look at this rocking Santa Claus. Let's make it. So remove the yolk from the egg, make a hole. Now we are going to tear this tissue paper, make multiple pieces and fill the egg like we are doing here. Pour liquid inside and look, it is rocking. After this we are going to make the hat of the Santa Claus. Roll this red craft paper, make a cone. Now we are adding these details like we are doing here. Paste it on the top of the egg, paste eyes, make its mustache and look, your Santa Claus is ready. Make it for Christmas Day. I'm sure kids gonna love it. So cut this ring from cardboard, paste a hanging. Now we are going to paste all these toffees on the ring using double-sided tape. Paste colorful toffees, but we are using these two color, red and green. Now cut a bow as well, and we're going to add more details like this. Cut it, and now we are going to paste it on the top of wreath, and it's ready. Let's make these gift boxes. For that we are going to fold this blue craft paper. Look at the beautiful print. Now again we are going to fold it from its diagonals. Open it, now press it and tuck the paper inside. Here we are going to make a box like this. Similar way, make two boxes and we are pasting ribbons on the top of it. Combine both of them together and look, your gift box is ready. You can make more such. Let's make these lanterns using craft paper. For that, make multiple cut on this red craft paper. Paste double-sided tape. Now we are going to cover this bottle using this paper. Paste it around the bottle like this. After this, we are going to cover the top and bottom. We are pasting this yellow strip like we are doing here. Now we are also pasting this handle using red strip and put fairy light inside it. Switch on the light and look, your lantern is ready. Going to make a beautiful craft for your loved one. So cut a red circle. Now make spiral cut on it. Using a toothpick, we are going to roll it from one corner. After this, you can roll it from your fingers as well. Roll it and look, your rose flower is ready. Paste it. Now make more such flowers and paste all of them on this heart shape. Cover the entire heart shape like this. Paste all of them one after another and look, it is ready. Paste a stick at the back. So roll this green craft paper, make a stick. Paste leaves and ribbon as well and look, paste leaves and bow as well and look, your beautiful heart-shaped flower is ready. Here we are using yellow and red foam net. Hold the yellow foam net, make a circle. Now we are making the petals, so cut it like we are doing here. We are using red foam net, paste it around the circle like this and it's ready. Using green color rubber band, so we are going to tie 3 rubber band together like this. Similar way, put one after one another rubber band and remove it and tie a knot like we are doing here. Finally tie a final knot at the end and paste a sticker at the center and look, your wristband is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please